Tell me why ain't nothing but a heartache.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off, can't stop me now.
This episode is brought to you by Paras Catering and Events. Check out their FB page and see all the excellent customer feedback on their food, service, and elegant styling. You may reach them at 0917-844-4470 and look for Miss Jubian Paras. Welcome mga Kalifit to a brand new episode. It's a rainy evening. I'm off to the radio station for an interview. It's still past 6, so medyo early pa, pero okay na rin yung maaga para makapag-rehearse pa ng script. Well, actually hindi naman script. It's a talk show. So I think everything's gonna be spontaneous naman. So yun. Yung mga guide questions naman, and we have an outline to discuss. So yun, capping off the month of June, we're celebrating Men's Health Month for the month of June, kasi nga Father's Day is I think June 19, yeah, for this year, so June 19. So capping it off, we're gonna do a radio show interview over 91.9 Bright FM. Thank you po for inviting me in. So yun, this is just behind the scenes. So by the time this episode comes out, go back to the episode in their website. We'll be sharing the links. So yun, better be going and prepare before going live. Here we are, the 4th floor. Hinihintay ko lang yung host ko. Natik yan na. Ayan na si Sir RJ. Nakalock siya talaga, no? Sige, we'll just prep up mga kalifit. Alright mga kalifit, kakatapos lang namin mag-briefing for the talk show. So in a few minutes mag-call na kami. Tinatapos lang yung isang ongoing broadcast sa kabilang kwarto. Pero in a few minutes we'll be starting. So far nakapag-warm up na, nakapagkwentuhan na with Sir RJ. Thank you for this opportunity ulit. So yun, feeling loose, feeling relaxed. So, kanina papunta dito, feeling kind of tense. Ayun. Pero ipag-usapan naman is something very, very, very familiar buhay ko. So, yun. It's gonna be great.
A father of 4 children, He is living his dreams of being a positive influence to 40-year-old and above audiences with his lifestyle and fitness YouTube channel, Life Fit 40. Being a fitness enthusiast himself for over 2 decades and running, he hopes to inspire other dads like him to be fit for their families. He is from City of San Fernando and a fellow Assumptionist, Kakaluguran. Let us all welcome Mr. Denmark Joseph Aguas de Solo. Good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening. Welcome din sa mga viewers and listeners natin. Hello po sa lahat.
Bilang isang tatay, sir, as a father or as a man of the family, paano mo pa nabibigyan ng time yung sarili mo para sa ganong klaseng self-care, yung fitness mo nga?
Oo. Medyo nagkaroon ako natawa ko konti kasi it's a real struggle talaga na kapag family man ka na, yung oras mo talaga will be very naka-dedicate talaga sa negosyo, yan sa family. Most of the time, nawawalan na yung time para sa sarili. Which is actually, kailangan talaga. Even us men, kailangan natin ng ganung self-care. Kasi nga, yung mental health, yung physical health, would go a long way na magagampanan natin yung roles natin ng mas mabuti kung naalagaan din natin yung sarili natin.
Yes, oo.
Yung ko lang kasi talaga, it's really about, scheduling. Hindi mo talaga magagawang you go through the day na hindi nakaset yung schedule mo. Kasi hindi mo pag kasi wala kang schedule, you're like free flowing ka lang.
And minsan malilito ka pa.
Yeah, oo. Walang priorities, walang hierarchy of tasks kung anong unahin mo, 'di ba? Yung sa akin on my part, I wake up very early. I try to wake up very early. Magko-comment niya si Mrs. niya. Pero I really try to wake up very early kasi ako'y namamalengke every day para sa negosyo. So ako'y namamalengke. After that, after ko mamalengke, I do my reports. Tapos I do cardio immediately after that. Tapos after doing cardio, go with the kids. Nung may pasok pa, hinahatid ko pa yung anak ko sa parents ko for the online schooling. Tapos hahatid ko pa yung isa ko pang anak sa school for his face-to-face. So, after that, the whole day na nun, puro related na sa catering, sa meetings, sa errands. And after all that, you can just imagine, gusto ko na matulog, pero I really have to make it a point na pag dating ng 5 o'clock or 6 or 7, I still work out. So, 1 hour, 1.5 hours at most. After that, saka lang ako matutulog. So, very very jam-packed, pero I make it a point na maging productive every day.
Yes.
Yun. So, yun yung nagiging challenge, I think, for most people na, ay, wala na akong oras maging fit. Wala na akong oras mag-exercise. Actually, it doesn't require you to exercise half day. 30 minutes or 5 minutes or 15 minutes will do. As long as you do it. Yun lang yun. You really have to do it. And mabibigla ka na lang, yung dati mong workout na 5 minutes, nagiging 10 minutes na, nagiging 15, nagiging 30, nagiging 1 hour. So, yun.
Kapag ba sinabi nating maintaining our physical fitness, kung sinabi mo kanina, hindi lang necessarily ganon, how do we give importance? Bakit kaya importante na ma-maintain natin yung physical fitness natin?
Yes. Actually, exercising or training or maintaining your physical fitness, it's pwede siyang, you're like, investing in yourself. Para ka nag-i-invest sa sarili mo na hindi mo man nakikita yung benefits kaagad. You can benefit it in the long run. Now, yung long run na sinasabi ko, yun yung sa health mo. It dramatically reduces occurrences of chronic diseases. And sa amin, sa ating mga kalalakihan, we have our own sets of diseases na tayong like yung sa cardiovascular, respiratory. So,
yung prostate, sir.
Oh, yeah, prostate. We have our own sets of challenges na haharapin natin pagtanda natin. And yung pinaka best way talaga para ma-address yung mga illnesses na yun pagdating ng it na maging old na tayo and all is to right as early as possible makapag-train ka na, makapag-exercise ka na. Kasi yun nga research says na yun nga it dramatically reduces the risks na pwede nating ma-meet. So investment talaga siya sa sarili mo. And some say naman na yun nga matanda na ako. Ako 42 na ako.
Yes.
Like what I always say in my channel, yung mga nagko-comment, yung mga nag-i-inquire sa akin, it's never too late to exercise. Hindi siya too early, hindi siya too late. At any age you can really exercise and still reap the benefits of doing those activities. And mas maganda na yung mag-start ka ng late kaysa sa hindi ka na mag-exercise.
Then you did not even start.
Oo. A lot of misconceptions talaga na pambata lang yan or pag teenager lang yan or what, hindi ko na kaya magbuhat ng weights or what. Yun nga like what I said earlier, yun nga, it's not limited to lifting eh. It's not too late to run, it's not too late to bike or to swim. Siguro you just have to select the kind of activity that you want to do na you feel na doon ka nag-enjoy, magagawa mo siya ng mas mahabang panahon, sustainable siya. Kasi a lot of people don't even start exercising kasi they don't like the kind of exercise na pinapagawa sa kanila.
Yung pakiramdam din siguro, no, sir, yung, syempre, mabigat, kung exercise.
Ayaw nila na mabigat. Ayaw na mabigat. So, mas okay na, or actually, I really recommend na you do the type of exercises na you really want to do it. Hindi yung pinipilit ka na, gawin mo to. Hindi eh. Whatever feels natural to you, na feeling mo, nag-enjoy ka doon, magagawa mo siya ng for a long period of time. Then doon ka. Actually, working out 5 minutes a day, 10 minutes a day, yun lang meron ng benefits yun eh. What more kung mag-exercise ka ng 30 minutes or 1 hour and you do it consistently. Diba? Para lang para lang yan naghulog ka ng pera sa bangko or nag-invest ka sa stocks, makikita mo na lang yung ininvest mo, kumita na, di ba? So, same goes with
I see.
with your health. Hey, it's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. It was a very nice, very spontaneous show. Hello, Sir RJ. Thank you ulit. So yun, napaka free-flowing ng conversation, much like our episode sa channel. Yun. So looking forward to watching this again in their Facebook page. So I will link the pages and other social media accounts in the description below. So abangan niyo po mga ka-LifeFit. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and Facebook page and visit our sponsor pages para sa catering events, Pet Pampanga, and Race Gear Clothing. So see you on the next episode. Stay safe always mga ka-LifeFit.